Hi. Okay. So I want to talk about something I just did a few minutes ago, right? So yeah. So this is how I caught this trade just a few minutes ago, right? So I just wanted to share um this thing in my first video, in fact, on YouTube. So yeah, this is it. So this market is in a clear downtrend, right? If you can see, on the 1 hour time frame because I do mostly scalping. Like most of the days I do I scalp, right? But then again, sometimes I do some day trade, like I'm holding trades for around 5 hours, 5 to 10 hours or thereabout. But mostly I love exiting my trade within an hour or two tops. Yeah, so how did I come about this trade? Firstly, as you can see, this market is in a clear downtrend because it has been breaking structures to the downside, right? When I talk about breaking structures, this is what I mean, right? So the market has been on a clear trend of breaking structures, right? This is the BOS. This is another BOS here, right? Oh shit, excuse me. Yeah, so there's another BOS here, here, right? Yeah, so this is another BOS here, and then another one here. So, but then again, I'm not interested in this one because they are far gone. Like yeah. So what I'm mostly interested in is this most recent BOS here, right? At this areas. They are the things I'm more interested in. So now I checked on because I mostly trade I mostly combine MSNR, CRT and SMC, right? But then again I switched to the line chart. Excuse me. I switched to my line chart here, and if you notice, this is an A-shaped key level. This is an A-shaped key level, right? Yeah. So this is an A-shaped key level. Let me drag it a bit up here. I think yes. So that's an A-shaped key level. So I'll switch back to the candles chart. Now, if you watch really closely, this particular candle grabbed that liquidity. This particular candle, right, grabbed the liquidity from that A-shaped key level, right? Then since this is a 1 hour chart, I just have to switch down to the 5 minute chart. I switched down to the 5 minute chart. Yeah, let me take this one off. Right, so the best now that I'm on the 5 minute chart, I go back again to the line chart, right? Then you will see there's a clear change of character here. Firstly, the first one is here. Don't worry, I trade these minor, these little structures. I trade them. I trade them. Then there is another one here. There is a clear one here again. Right? Yeah. Now go back to the candlestick formation. As you can see, I missed the first entry. My first entry would have been this guy. But then again, it is very, very important that you allow the higher time frame to be fully exhausted, right? It's very, very important to allow it to be exhausted. So after the 1 hour time frame elapsed, this one was already mitigated. That is this POI was already mitigated, right? Then it remained this particular one, that is this second area through this line, right? This particular line, right? That's what it remains. So I just have to place my entry there, right? Then targeted the next. You see, this is a resistance here. This is a clear resistance here, right? You can see that's a clear resistance there. So that was my target. But then again, I wasn't actually. There's this open close here. There's this open close here. That is this area. This particular area. That was an open close that I wasn't going to risk too much on. Then I was like, oh, you know what? And this one here again. This particular V-shape key level. Right? Although it has been mitigated countless of times, like it has been mitigated 1, 2, 3 times. But then again, I wasn't going to take chances, so that's why I kept my take profit there. But then again, the best place I would have taken profit is this particular support. Actually, this is support. This is where I was supposed to take my profit. But then again, it's fine anyway. It's how many? This is 1.64. Done within 25 minutes, right? I think, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 minutes. I was done with it. Right? So in and out of the market. So this was how I achieved this particular, how I achieved this particular sell and profit. Right? So yeah, I'll be sharing another one lately, like probably tomorrow. I take a lot of trades in it, at least 3 trades in it. So yeah, this is it. Hope you enjoy.